Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to Motorola Moto G51. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now type and send anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. From this screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select Receive on Motorola and Send on Oppo. After that, tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, like this song. Choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and then select Receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!